I'm Manisha. I'm from Calcutta, and I have come here and joined because my son is an occupational therapist, and he insists me to come here and just know about the special blessed child, and I can join him the further dates in his clinic. Okay, and I have said nothing about the trainer. He is wonderful trainer, and he always come to us and come each of us, and she asked whether we are clear about the problem, whether the picture she learned to us, that is clear or not. And the ambience is very beautiful. Where I have come to learn, it is just wonderful.